Hi, I'm Sea Lettuce, and I'm Cathy. And today we're gonna play a game. Yeah, we're gonna meet all the Sprunki characters. What? Who's Sprunki? Sprunki? Well, you'll see. So we're gonna play with the Sprunkis. I don't know what that even means. What does this even mean? Well, you'll see. Meet all the characters, and you'll see. Okay. How do I? Okay. We're gonna meet all the Sprunki characters. Sprunki? What? I don't. Who's Sprunki? You'll see. Sprunki, what is he now? So, first, let's play the game. Okay. Yeah, let's play the game. Let's play the game. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's play the game today. Yay, we're gonna play the Sprunki game. Go. Toca-Boca. That spells Toca Boca. Toca-Boca. That spells Toca Boca. Let's have some fun. Come on outside. Let's have some fun. Look at the sun shining on me. Oh, it's my friend, Mr. Sun. It makes it a sunny day. Come on out and play. Come on, we can learn the ABCs, 1, 2, 3, and colors and a lot more. Come on, let's go somewhere else. Look at this. There's a friend. Let's say hi. 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 Oh, it's so nice. Do you want to join the theme song? Of course. 3, 2, 1. Then let's go with Bird Cathy. Look at this. There's Mrs. Moon. Let's say hi. Hi. Hi, Mrs. Moon. Hi, I'm Mrs. Moon. Oh, I'm having so much fun. 3, 2, 1. Toca Boca. Thank you. Let me see now. So, here's what the Sprunki looks like. This is what the game looks like. See lettuce? What? What am I supposed to do? Look. Here's the beat. Whoa. Now, let's get ready. So, here's what they both look like together. Awesome. Let's try this one. Whoa! Oh, I hear the beat. Oh, wait.
Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Come on, sing along with us in this fun time. Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Come on, sing along with us in this fun time. Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Come on.
Oh, you've seen all the characters. This is the horror one, but there's no ads available, so here's wow! Look at that! Let's try. We got rain. Let's try Ratty.
Sing along with us at this fun time. Hello, would you like to have some fun with us right now? Come on, sing along with us at this fun.
That's a twist mod? Okay.
Would you like to have some fun
More
with
friends
us right now? Come on, sing along with us at this fun.
too. More Sprunky? People who play Sprunky. Whoa, I wonder who that's gonna be. That's the Ratty. This is Ratty. What would look good? I don't know. Let's try. That would sound good. Let's try one. Whoa, the music sounds cool. Let's try Simon. Take all of them away and meet the Sprunky characters. Whoa, I'm so excited! Okay, so we got Orin, Ratty, and some more. Let's go meet them. Cathy, here's some exciting news. What? The Sprunky characters are here. What? You're gonna see them right now. Yay, the Sprunky characters are here. Am I gonna meet all the Sprunkies? Yeah. All of them. Yay, I'm gonna meet all the Sprunkies. Whoa. If you meet all the Sprunkies, you'll be happy. You'll know their names. And, whoa. They're in a band. Oh! You were playing a game about their band. What? Oh, hi. I'm Orin. Orin? What? Are you a Sprunky? Yes, I'm a Sprunky. What? How? You're a Sprunky! Yay! I see a Sprunky! Yay! Can I see the rest of them? Yeah. There's so many Sprunkies. They have so many friends. What? Sprunky? Sprunky. Oh, sorry about that. So, what should we do? Let's meet the rest of the Sprunky characters. Whoa. So? Oh! Let's see now. Sprunkies! What? Who are you? What? Are you another Sprunky? Please be another Sprunky? Yes, I'm Ratty. Ratty? I've seen you on the Sprunky app. Yeah, I found that mysterious game on Play Store. I wanted to download it. And, it was fun. Whoa. Are you Ratty? Again? Yes, I'm Ratty. Okay. Am I gonna see other friends? Other Sprunkies? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's see the rest of the Sprunkies. Yay, we're gonna party! Wow, who are you? I'm Clucker. Okay, that must be your real name. Whoa, are you another Sprunky? You look like one. Yeah, I'm a Sprunky. Whoa, look at that. So, am I gonna meet all the Sprunkies? Yes. Whoa. I heard that there are so many Sprunkies. Well, hey, Clucker? What? Well, are you sure I'm gonna see all of them? Yeah. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna see too many Sprunkies. It's gonna make me explode. So, let's just go on. Well, oh, yeah. Well, can I see the next Sprunky now? Yeah. Oh, yay! Okay, let's see the next Sprunky. Hi! Hi. Whoa! Who are you? I'm Funbot. Whoa, are you another Sprunky? Yeah. I'm a robot. Oh, you're a robot. Huh. That's pretty cool. Funbot? What? Can I be your friend? Can I be your friend? Oh, sure. We can be friends. Okay. Do you want to join the Sprunky Club? Oh, yeah. You have to think of your own music. I gotta think of my own music before I join the Sprunky Club. Whoa. You mean I'm gonna join the band? Yeah. The band? Yeah. Really? Yay! I'm gonna join the band. Let's meet the next one. Yeah. Who are you? Oh, who are you? I'm Flynaria. Flynaria? Hi there. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Who are you? I'm Bird Cathy. Whoa, that's a great name. Whoa. Hey, should we be friends? Yeah. Oh, I heard someone's gonna visit you. What? It's... No, don't tell Bird Cathy yet. What? I should. they would get a hint. Now, don't you tell me that. Please. Okay. I can tell you one time without Sweaty even knowing. No, I don't want to know yet. Oh, I want it to be a surprise. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna meet the next Sprunky. Okay. Oh, hi there. Hi. What's your name? My name is Gray. Gray, that's all? You're the color gray. My name is Gray. Oh. Are you another Sprunky? Sure. Hey. There's a green lady over there named Sea Lettuce, and can she join the Sprunky band? Yeah. Is she nice? Yeah, she's very nice. Okay, then she can join the band. Well. Oh. Let's just meet the next Sprunky. Wow, what's your name? My name is Brud. Oh, I'm Bird Cathy. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What is that on your head? Is that a bucket? Yeah, that's a bucket on my head. Why do you have a bucket? I don't know. I don't remember what happened. Huh. You put the bucket on your head. I don't know. I guess I did. I don't know. Huh. Oh. Whoa. Wait. Bread. What? Can you just... I'm scared now. What are you scared of? Let's just meet the next Sprunky. I'm scared. What? Hi there, I'm Bird Cathy. What's your name? My name is Garnold. Garnold? Wow. Hi, nice to meet you, Garnold. Hi. Oh, are you Bird Cathy again? Yeah, I'm Bird Cathy. And you're Garnold. Whoa. Now. Whoa. All of the Sprunkies are looking cute here. Yeah. Oh. Do you want to be part of the Sprunky band? Whoa, yeah. I'm going to be on the Sprunky. Hey, can you come to my show? Toca Boca? Yeah, okay. Just meet the next Sprunky. Hey, I don't really know how to pronounce your name, so, what if I could call you OX? Does that sound okay? Oh, sure. I'm Bird Cathy. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. Whoa. Are any of the Sprunkies mean? Well, all of the Sprunkies could be nice to you. Whoa. You're a cute little bird. Whoa. Thanks. To all of the Sprunkies, so they won't feel like being mean to you. Whoa. Look at that. That was very kind. Let's meet the next Sprunky. Hey there, I would feel good to call you Sky. My name is Sky. Oh, hi Sky. Hi. What's your name? My name is Bird Cathy. Whoa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Whoa. Whoa. It's very nice to meet all of the Sprunkies. Yeah. Well, now, should we be friends? Yeah? Wow. Can I be friends with all of the Sprunkies? Yeah. Whoa, that's awesome now. All of the Sprunkies? All of them? Whoa! I guess. Let's just meet the next Sprunky. Hi there.
Hi.
Can I just call you Mr. Sun?
I am Mr. Sun.
What, you're a sun?
Yeah.
I'm the son for Sprunki. Whoa. For real? Yeah, I'm the son for the Sprunky world. Whoa, that is awesome. Hey, Mr. Sun? What? I would like to ask you something. Do you make music? Yeah. What, you make music? Wait, I remembered. You made music on the Sprunky app. Oh. Let's meet the next Sprunky. Next Sprunky? Hi, I'm Bird Cathy. And I'm Durple. Durple? That's awesome. Hey, Durple. Oh, Durple? What? Can I ask you something? What? Oh. You're a purple Sprunky, right? Yeah. Purple rhymes with Durple. What? In the world? Yeah. Have you ever seen Sky? Yeah? Let's see Sky. What in the world again? That's weird. Why is there a tree in here? Hi. What? A tree? You put a tree in here. I'm Mr. Tree. For real? Yeah. I'm a tree in the Sprunky world. Nah, please don't tell me you make music. I do make music. Whoa, you do? Oh, I remember. You made music on that app I found. That Sprunky thing. Oh. Yeah. You want to see the next Sprunky? Oh, I would love to. Okay, let's see the next Sprunky. Hi there. What's your name? My name is Simon. Simon? My name is Bird Cathy. Simon? What? Should we be friends? Yeah. Okay. Well, I remembered you on the Sprunky app. Wherever that is. Oh, yeah. I found you. Yeah. I'm a Sprunky. Whoever you see on the Sprunky app is a Sprunky. Oh. Okay. Hi. Hi, I'm Tanner. Oh. I'm Bird Cathy. Villagers talking really close in Minecraft. I'm getting ready to explode. I'm getting ready to pop with poop. Ew, that's disgusting. Pop with poop. Are you getting too excited to see the surprise characters? Surprise people? Surprise characters, whoever they are? Yeah. I don't know who they are. I don't even know if there's a character or a person. I don't even know if it's Bear Cathy. Who's Bear Cathy? My dad. Oh. He's red. If you see a red bear, whatever that thing is, on the Toca Boca show, that's him. Oh. Why would they bring a computer here? How? I'm Mr. Fun Computer. Oh. You're never Sprunky. Yes, I'm a Sprunky. Are you a machine? Yes. You're a computer? Yes. Oh. Is Brandon you H2 go for that, Brandon? Yes. Okay. I guess you're a Sprunky. Yeah. Oh, who got a computer in here? Let's just meet the next Sprunky. Hi there. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I'm Wenda. Hey, Wenda. Whoever you are, you're such a... Whoa. Hi, Wenda. Hi. Wenda? I guess you are a Sprunky? Yeah, I'm a Sprunky. Let's just meet the next great old Sprunky. Oh, what's your name? My name is Pinky. Oh, wait. Hey, Pinky? What? You look like a bunny. Are you a Sprunky? Yeah, I'm a Sprunky. Oh, so you're a Sprunky. Wait. I think paper's coming out of my beak. What do you mean? You know I mean paper's coming out of my beak. I'm just gonna see the next Sprunky. Okay. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm Jevin. Whoa. Hey, Jevin? What? What? Are you a Sprunky? What? Yeah, I am a Sprunky. Whoa, you're another Sprunky. I think I'm gonna meet the next Sprunky. Okay. Hi, I'm Black. Black? What's your real name? I don't have a name. I'm just Black. Black? You don't have a name? If you don't have a name, if you don't have a name, why are you Black? Just Black? Yeah. Okay, we'll just see you next, Sprunky. Who are you? I'm a rebel. Rebel? Hey. Are you the next Sprunky? Yeah. What? I don't think I've seen you on the game. I'm pretty rare on Sprunky. Oh. Oh. I guess you're rare. Hey, Rebel? What? Are you a Sprunky? What? I am a Sprunky. Oh, that's what I thought. Let's just see the next Sprunky anyways. Whoa, there's another Sprunky. Hey! Hi, I'm Wario. Oh, hi. Whoa. Whoa, are you the next Sprunky? Yeah. Oh, okay. Whoa, it's nice to see you. Whoa. So, should we be friends? Sure. Okay, let's see the next Sprunky then. Hey there, I thought your name was very weird, and I thought it was good, but what? I don't really know what it was, though. What, you don't know my name? I don't know how to pronounce it. Your name has a lot of letters. Yeah, my name has a lot of letters. Letters? You say letters? Letters? Your name has a lot of letters. You don't even know how to pronounce it. Let's just see the next Sprunky. Oh my god, what happened to you? What's your name? What is your name right now? Fine, what's your name? What's your name? Are you the next Sprunky? What's your name? 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 I'm the Sprunky because I heard your name was E.L. Cool P for some reason. What? Hey, why aren't you answering me? Hi. Whoa, hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What's your name? My name? My name is Bird Cathy. Whoa. Ooh, let's see the next Sprunky now. What's her name? My name is Rose. Rose? Are you really Rose? Yeah? Rose. Rose? What? Are you a Rose? Let's just go to the next Sprunky. What's your name? My name is Gino. Whoa, whoa, hey. Well, the next Sprunky's the last Sprunky. Whoa, hey, should we be friends? Sure. I would love to be friends with a cute little bird like you. Whoa. Thanks for calling me cute. You're welcome. Oh. Oh. So, what do you think? We're going to go to the next Sprunky in a minute. And the next one is the last one. And we're going to see the mystery characters or people. Whoa. And we're going to see them in a few minutes? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm so excited. Whoa. Hey. What? Am I going to see the next one? Yeah? Wow. Okay. Oh, I want the last one right now. It looks like a flower now. How can this be in Sprunky? Or how could this be a Sprunky? I don't know. Whoa. Hey. Flower? I think I know its name. What is it? I don't know. What? It's a flower, I guess. Maybe it could be a cursed flower. I don't know. Is it gonna eat us? I hope not. This flower? How can this be a Sprunky? I may just call it a flower now. A flower? I think it's cursed. What? It's cursed? Yeah, it's cursed. Not yet. What's cursed? We're never gonna meet them. Ah! What? Where are you, sea lettuce? I'm here in the flower. Whoa. Oh, they're here. What? Yay! Who are you? I'm Lily. Oh, you're a microwave. Yeah. Hey, Lily? What are you gonna cook today? Nothing. Nothing? Why are you gonna cook nothing? I came here to visit you. Oh. Hi. Hi. Well, the mysteries are here. Whoa. Yeah, and I can't be wait. I can't wait. I can't be wait. A minute? Really? What? I think I'm gonna meet the next Sprunky. Okay. Hey, what's your name? My name is Bailey. Bailey? Oh. Okay. Whoa. Are you getting ready to swim? Yeah. I was swimming in the car. What? Swimming in the car? What do you mean? It's a very long bus, and all of us had to get on the bus. And, well, we're not all the Sprunkies, but the rest of the Sprunkies can't fit in the bus, so, okay. Are you ready to open the door? No, I'm too nervous. Are you ready to open the door? No. they're at the door. No, I'm too nervous. Oh, I'll open the door. No, don't open the door. What? Hey, but how are we gonna see them? I'm too nervous. I'm gonna go in my room for the rest of my life. I'm too nervous. Oh, okay. Let's just open the door. Hey, you think I should go in my room for the rest of my life? I think so. Hey, Cathy. I'm gonna open the door right now. Oh, I can go in my room. Come on, let's go in my room fast. Hey there, I'm Cathy. Again. Hey, Cathy. What now? We're in front of the door. Hey, come in and see who that is. Hey, here's your friend. No, I'm too nervous. Your friend. No. I'm too nervous. Here's your friend. No. Here's your friend. No, I'm too nervous. Here's your friend. Oh, you almost opened the door. I'm too nervous. I don't want to see them. Hey, do you think I should be brave or scared? Be brave. Brave? Okay. I'm brave. I am brave. You're too brave. Brave. You're a little bit of brave. That's funny. Yeah. I'm too excited. That's because there's a fly in her mouth. A fly? There's another fly in your mouth. What? Hey, there's another fly in your eye. Fly in my eye? What are you talking about? What? There's a mosquito in my eye. Oh. So, what do you think? Do you want to go to the hospital? No. I am brave. Yeah, they're in that other room over there having a party. In the party room. Oh, do you think I should go in the party room? I want to see the Sprunky, so the Sprunkies don't want to come out and... I can see them! Yay! I'm brave! Yay! I'm brave! Go in that room! I'm so brave! I'm going to have a party with the Sprunkies! Yay! Hi, Orin! Oh, we came in the party room! Don't you want to see your surprise friend? Yes, I am brave. I want to see the other Sprunkies too. And I'm too excited. Yay! Okay, here we go. There, Cathy. I've seen them lots of times. Okay, so both of them were behind me and... What? The surprises. The surprise friends. Okay. Okay, and you know them? No. Are you nervous? No. Are you scared? No. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. Then I'm just going to get out of the way and you're going to see the surprise friends. Oh no, I'm getting scared. What? You're getting scared? Yeah. Hey, Felix, why are you so scared? Did I just see a car pass by? What? And another one? I feel scared. Scared? I feel excited. Well, I feel a little too scared. Should we just... I'm too scared. I have to think of something. Let's go back in the house. No! What's there in the house? I'll join the Sprunky's party. Spranky's party. Oh no, I want to join. Oh, you can join. Don't worry. Do you even know who they are? Yeah.
Welcome to the Sprunky party.
Oh, hi, Mr. Sun. I feel a little scared. Oh, I remembered the belly breathing. I feel brave. Now, can I go to the party?
Oh, of course.
The surprises were calling me. Surprise people were calling me. And I really need to join the party, so.
Okay.
Okay. Can I join now?
Yeah. All the Sprunkies are waiting for you.
Oh, okay. Can I go now?
Yeah. All the Sprunkies are waiting for you.
Okay, what the hell Bird Cathy's doing? Oh, hi. What's your name? My name is Tyler. I'm Bird Cathy. Where's Silhouette is at? I'm joining the party. This is just a long hallway. Oh, God. Did you crash into something? No. I'm coming. Ouch. Oh, I am coming for the party. Oh, hey, Silhouette, come on, hurry. There's a new friend. It's not a Sprunky. I'm coming. Oh. Whoa, you're another one. Hey, what's your name? My name is Snowy. Oh, wait a minute. Are you made of snow? No, my name is Snowy. I'm just gonna... You're made of snow, right? I get to turn into a snowman. No, I'm Snowy. No, I get to turn you into a snowman. No, I'm Snowy. No, I'm gonna turn into a snowman right now. No. Let's see what Mr. Fun Computer does. Whoa, what are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? I'm just working on Mr. Fun Computer. I'm not right now. I'm just working on Mr. Fun Computer. Mr. Fun Computer, so much fun! Wish Mr. Fun Computer was mine. Okay, we're gonna have a party with everyone. So we're gonna have a party with all the Sprunkies and with, not all of the Sprunkies, some Sprunkies. The bus wasn't big enough to carry all the Sprunkies. Oh, we'll just have to make a part 2 video then. Yeah, and so all my friends are joining the party and they met Tyler and Snowy. We have Tyler and Snowy now, so do you want to know my name? Yeah, my name is Bird Cathy. Should we be friends? Yeah. I would love to be friends with you. All the Sprunkies are friends with me. Well, not all of them. All of them don't know me. Let's just... Some of them, you mean Bird Cathy's name? What do you? I mean, some of them don't know me. Not all of them. Well, a lot of them know me. Now, before we leave, we are gonna say bye. Bye bye. See you next.